Hello everyone, I am Sejal here from SS Kid Camp. Today I am here to teach you how to write numbers 1 to 20 in Japanese. Once Brian Herbert said, "The capacity to learn is a gift. The ability to learn is a skill. Willingness to learn is a choice." So let's begin the video. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, ruk, nana, hachi, kyu, ju, juichi, juni, jusan, jushi, jugo, juruk, junana, juhachi, jukyu, niju. Thank you for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe. Your one like will motivate me to make these types of videos which will help those people who want to learn. Thank you.